welcome to a new vlog. Again, we switched rooms, so let's give you a tour of our brand new room. Let's go. This is, I don't know what this is. Looks like the bathroom. Let's turn the light on. Ooh, okay. And this side is our sink. Looks a lot nicer than the other side. So this is his and her. Of course, dual mirror hair dryer. What is this? Let's push this. Ooh, shower. Where do you turn it on though? Is there a light? Where's the lights?
Right here.
Oh, okay. Light switch is right there. Then you got the rain shower. Towel. Oh, this is a lot nicer than the other. It's got storage right here and you shower right here. Alright. And we do have the tub right here. Maybe use it after a lot of walking like we did today. Relax. Of course, the queen size bed. And ooh, look at this. So the queen size bed, that should be good enough for us, big enough. And then little couch, little desk, chairs and desk. Of course, the TV. That's where we're gonna put our junk, our stuff, and just drawers. Do you find refrigerator? Oh, maybe it's this one.
Okay.
You gotta have. Oh, okay. Here we go. So that's minibar. You got, what is this? Some alcohol, tequila, vodka, Bacardi, rum. Some coffee maker, epura, of course. Ama tu cuerpo. That's what it said. Refrigerator. Oh, wow. That's a lot. We got Dos Equis, water, and some soda. Let's turn this up a notch so it'll get cold. What is this? Kind of dry. Okay. And then this is our closet. There you go. And of course, ironing board and iron. And then the safe. And this is our view. Let's see, I don't know, I haven't seen it yet, so let's check it out. It's a little different than our last room. Let's see. Oh, no ocean view. But this is our balcony right here. Nice. The only thing that stinks is that the sun sets on the. Ooh, it might be a good thing. You get a better time lapse of the sunsets. So maybe we can do that tonight. And then towards La Playa, there's some cruise ship right there. That's where we walked out downtown all the way out there. So, and this is our view. So that is the tour of our brand new room in which resort is this again?
Baja California.
Riu Baja California. It's a little different from the other side, different view. And I think I might like this a little better than the other. So hopefully our stuff charge. The other one we were having a hard time charging our devices, phones, and all that good stuff. So thank you for coming to our room tour, and I will see you guys in the next one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Until you see her.